these are all the ingredients I'll be using for the tofu scramble. It's a block of firm tofu and about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the oil, diced onion, 1.5 tablespoons of the nutritional yeast, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, salsa for the end, and about a cup of the spinach. All right, let's do this. Here's the tofu scramble afterwards with that salsa mixed in. You can also put in avocados, olives, anything else you want to add to it, sour cream, cheese. This makes about 4 servings.
Hope you enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe for more recipes.